Hey FastCap, Luca here with some improvements. So found a new way to store the pallet jacks and got them and the speed brace pallets easy striped out and labeled. So nice parking spots for all those now, and they're staying off the turret wires so it won't be in the way. Also easy striped in Max's 60 by 44 and his 40 by 40 HT pallets, and left an aisleway to get to the tape measures. And then in graphics, I got the big Bosch bag up off the top shelf, and I put the screw gun holders onto their metal rack here. Just used some trackpad to change the diameter so it fits. So now their Bosch tools are right there. I got the charger plugged in with the wire run back behind. Then also in graphics, got a barcode here that hangs from this, so you can just go like that and dink, and that's the barcode to log on when the computer starts up every morning. I made a subtle change here, so I closed this gap up a little bit, moving that saw that way, and what that allowed to happen is that now the FastPipe station has also moved that way. So now you actually have a fair amount of space for building FastPipe stuff, but more importantly, for this whole rack here, you can actually pull a forklift in right here, and with FastPipe, roll track, or safe cut rule extrusions, you can actually forklift them straight into the rack now and not have to hand stack. And we adjusted the heights of all these racks so that the safe cuts actually fit in there right on the pallet that they come on. And then we moved Matt's 8 and 12 foot fences down to this rack where they're easier for him to grab, a more ergonomic height than way up here where he's having to reach up for them.